Hello, this is a devlog of a game I'm working on called Bots and Cars. Normally I don't show code in my devlogs, but in this case I thought I'd show this because it's working. I thought it might be useful to some people. Now this code's probably going to change, but it's working. So first of all, I added this box collision to the front of the car, and you'll probably have to add one in the back, and I'll probably expand this to cover the entire front end. I'll demo how it works.